Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I am here with another video. So this is coming from the 60th birthday celebration of the former governor of Rivers State, that's Rotimi Amaechi, and also the former minister for works, yes, Rotimi Amaechi. Now today he celebrated the birthday in Continental Hotel in Abuja. Now the birthday did not start today. The birthday has been ongoing for days now, and yes, trust me, a lot of amazing people were actually in the building. The likes of Atiku, Wole Soyinka, and the list is endless. Amazing people are present in the building, including the executive governor of Abia State, Governor Alex Choma Otti, is also available in the building. Now, a lot of people give amazing speech from that event. I will not be bringing you all of that, but I will be bringing you Rotimi Amaechi personal speech here, where he thanked all the guests that came around to celebrate with him as he marks his 60th birthday celebration today. Now the party did not start today. It's been ongoing for the past 4 days now, and yes, he had to finally conclude today with a grand, should I say, grand lecture, a grand ceremony in Abuja. Enjoy this one. Please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment.
The leaders, recently former governors, former senators, former members of the House of Reps, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to start this conversation by thanking my wife, by thanking God first. Thanking my wife and my 3 kids, and then thanking Dr. and Mrs. Kibodi. And then thanking my mother and my father. My father is late, so my mother is still alive. My father should be 87, and somewhere in my house. Let me make it clear to those of you stay here. I met President Atiku in Yola, and I told him I will not work for him, and I will not vote for him in Yola. I will not vote for him, and I will not vote. I told him in advance. One thing is because people believe us that he didn't work for PDP, he didn't work for APC, he didn't support him. I told him in advance before the election, so what is the matter of whether I did or not. I made him know that. Because I was convinced that there was an issue of capacity. We have very issues here. Some of those who raise the issue of capacity, some of us who are here raising the issue of capacity, are also those who vote on ethnic and religious basis, or who spoil innocent, uneducated people who are poor to voting for people for the reason of religion and ethnicity. That's why we are here. And let me tell you, the conspiracy of the enemies. Forget, when we sit here, we feel like what's the best way to go to that hour. We don't care for you. No Nigerian leader cares for you. And the reason why Nigerian leader cares for you is because you will do nothing. You protested. At the end of the protest, the president announced increase in private fuel because you will do nothing. It's an absolute thing to do nothing society. Anyway, you don't know. One of the reasons I corrected was the level of knowledge. I respect people who are more brilliant than me. Me, Professor Wole Soyinka, that's how I get. The reason I don't know figures, so you know figures, and I respect people the level of knowledge of economics. In fact, if you are not like that and I was president, you have played a prominent role in the government by yourself. I don't care where you come from. You have moved the country forward. We don't want to move the country forward. If you're not ashamed, I'm ashamed. My passport was seized in January. I did not. My offenses are carrying a new passport. They kept me for medical activities, and I was put on medical check-up in Kenya. Show us your hotel. This is I should. Show us your ticket. I should. Wait. Just because I'm carrying a green passport. If you're not ashamed, I am. That's why I picked up this topic. I'm going to say why I picked up this topic. Nigerian leaders and elites are not the problems of Nigeria. The problems of Nigeria are the foolish. The leaders, look, when we say Nigeria is capital kindness in Nigeria, kindness are those with capital to invest for production. We produce here. People rely on oil. Everybody wants to start once you become president, you will see what happens. As far as you become president, you will not know Christians from Muslims. You will not. They are all coming towards you. You just have a hand in the sea. That's what happens. So I look at Nigeria and ask myself, what are we actually doing here? We really want to be a country. If we want to be a country, we do. I give an example of my state government. I was shocked at the lady that I gave appointment.
Thank you. I have able support now, so I feel more confident. She will whisper into my ear on how this goes. I thought of appropriate words, descriptive words for Rotimi. I thought of courageous. I thought of dogged. I thought of focus. I thought of committed. And I thought of patriotic. And she said we should use courage. So, do we use courage? Yes, sir. Can we spell courage? Wow. She's giving me directives. So I think I'll just pass the microphone to her. Okay.
We're spelling courage because the celebrant is highly courageous. And I think we should get a C. O. U. R for Rotimi. A. G. And a very exotic E.
Thank you for honoring us.
There is a state agency in Ghana responsible for providing support to such people. And they started doing their work and enlightening people and removing people from under the bridges and outside on the streets. What happened? They were called to Abuja and they were told to stop it. That is why I said I wanted to amend the topic of today to add state weaponization of poverty. This particular government is weaponizing poverty. You may call me a conspirator, you may call me anything, and that is why we are in this alliance, to make sure we don't allow them to continue weaponizing poverty. Of course, one of our star conspirators is Governor Rotimi Amaechi. Therefore, we are here to wish you many happy returns of the day, and we will continue to conspire with you to make sure we minimize poverty and we don't use state machinery to weaponize poverty. I thank you very much. God bless
you. Was living at Adamawa. When we finished meeting at night, everyone was told to go back to the school and mobilize school. Once the now president addressed the press conference, all of us were on the street. You will see.
thank you very much for finding time to share this moment with the